This week I am testing the Mazda CX-80. This is a 7-seater SUV. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive, and don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials.
The boot section of this review is brought to you by Tula.
The boot door of this Mazda CX-80 opens manually and really nice and quietly without any beeps, so it won't wake your sleeping babies in the back. Let's find out how the range of Tula prams fit in the boot.
When using 2 rows of seats, the boot of the Mazda CX-80 will hold 16 shopping bags. Or the Tula sleek, future-proof multi-configuration pram with a single seat will fit in the boot of the Mazda CX-80 with 6 shopping bags. The Tula sleek, future-proof multi-configuration pram with 2 sibling seats will fit in the boot with 6 shopping bags. And the Tula sleek, future-proof multi-configuration pram with a single seat and the bassinet will fit in the boot of the Mazda CX-80 side by side but with no shopping bags. Or the Tula Urban Glide 3 Ultimate All-Terrain Stroller with the back wheels on fits easily in the boot with 7 shopping bags. Or the Tula Urban Glide 3 Double Ultimate All-Terrain Stroller with the back wheels on fits easily in the boot with 2 shopping bags. Or the Tula Spring Lightweight and One-Handed Folding Stroller fits in the boot of the Mazda CX-80 with 11 shopping bags. Or you can fit 2 90-litre and 2 40-litre Tula Chasm duffel bags in the boot, or a very large dog. When using all 3 rows of seats, the boot of the Mazda CX-80 will hold 6 shopping bags. Or the Tula Urban Glide 3 Ultimate All-Terrain Stroller with one of the back wheels removed fits nicely in the boot. Or the Tula Spring Lightweight and One-Handed Folding Stroller fits in the boot of the Mazda CX-80 with 2 shopping bags. Or you can fit a 40-litre and a 70-litre Tula Chasm duffel bag in the boot, or a very small dog.
The front of the Mazda CX-80 is very comfortable. The seats are lovely and comfortable, and the dash and interior have been nicely modernised. There's some nice textures on the dash as well. Now, when it comes to storage, there are 2 cup holders in the central console. They'll hold a reusable or a disposable coffee cup, and in front of them is a phone charging pad, and you've got a 12-volt socket there too. And behind them is a central console box. It's got the dual lid, so either you or the front passenger can open it. There's a glasses case in the ceiling that's lined, and the visors have mirrors and lights as well. The glove box is a really good size. That will hold my iPad and wallet with the manual. And the door bins are a good size in the front too. They'll hold a refillable water bottle, and a wallet and iPad fit in them as well. The media system in the Mazda CX-80 for this model has this quite small media screen. However, it is quite adequate. It does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is fantastic. Now, back in the main screen, you've got this easy screen to navigate, just a list of controls. And you use the rotary dial down in the central console to navigate it all. The sat-nav is pretty good, it's nice and easy to use. And the other settings there, you go into the settings menu, you've got everything you need in here. Like the sound settings, you can go in and control those. Change the safety settings. And the driver assist through that screen, and the vehicle settings, etc. Now, when you put the car into reverse, it has got a lovely clear camera. Obviously, being a small screen, you do get quite small images as well, but it's nice and clear, it's adequate. And you've got a button down by your right knee to turn the parking sensors on and off as well. In the back of the Mazda CX-80, there are aircon vents in the back of the central console box, and also on either side in the 3rd row, so you can keep all your little passengers in the back nice and comfortable while you're driving along. There are USB-C sockets in the back of the central console box and on either side in the 3rd row, so rear passengers can charge their devices while travelling along as well. We've also got handles above both of the second row doors, so you can hang a little toy from there to keep your rear passengers entertained on long journeys. And also you've got lights in the ceiling for the second and third row. Now, when it comes to safety, the Mazda CX-80 has a 5-star ANCAP safety rating, scoring 87% for child occupancy, and it also has 8 airbags, including side head curtain airbags that extend to the third row. Storage in the back of the Mazda CX-80 is very good. There is a fold down in the central seat back with 2 cup holders. They will hold a reusable or a disposable coffee cup, and a child's drink cup fits in them too. There are map pockets in the back of both front seats that will hold and conceal an iPad, and the door bins in the back are a really good size. They will hold 2 refillable water bottles, and a wallet or iPad fit in there as well. In the third row seats, there are 2 cup holders on each side. They will hold a reusable or disposable coffee cup, and a kid's drink cup fits in there too. And there's room for a mobile phone as well. The rear doors on the Mazda CX-80 open really nice and wide, which makes access for passengers really nice and easy, and also getting child seats in and out much easier too. Now, when it comes to installing child seats in the back of the CX-80, there's good news. In the 2 outer second row seats, there are Isofix. They are within plastic guides and really nice and easy to connect to. On the back of all 3 second row seats, there are top tether anchorages that are nice and easy to access through the boot, or you can bring these second row seats forward, and that makes it nice and easy to attach them to. Now, I could fit 3 child seats across this second row really nice and easily, which is fantastic news for families. And in the third row, there are no Isofix, but there are top tether anchorages on the back of both of those third row seats. So you can also put 2 child seats in the third row too, which is great news for families. You can put 5 child seats in the back of the Mazda CX-80. Now, third row access in the CX-80 is good if you've only got the 2 child seats installed in the second row. With the third one in the middle, you actually just can't bring this seat forward. It gets stuck on that central child seat. So with 1 installed on this side, you can bring this one forward. If you're using the Isofix instead of the seat belt, and the backrest can go up a little bit too, and you've got a nice big gap there to step through to the third row. And when it comes to legroom in the Mazda CX-80, we found that with a rear-facing child seat behind the driver's seat, we could fit about a 180 centimetre driver in front, and that's with a forward-facing child seat in the third row too. With forward-facing child seats in the second and third row, we could fit a 186 centimetre driver in front. Now, the footwell in the second row isn't flat. There is a hump in the central seat footwell. So if you do have an adult passenger there, their feet will have to straddle that hump. The Mazda CX-80 is a really nice family car to drive. I actually find it really nice and comfortable. The ride's not too hard at all. I think nobody's complained in my family. I think it's really nice. It is firm, but it's comfortable. Now, the gears, you can feel the gears changing a lot while you're driving. So that is something. But again, nobody's complaining about it, and it's just something that I notice. Now, visibility is pretty good in here. I can see out of that rear windscreen, even with the child seats in the back. And I do find the side mirror, I feel like it's too close. I have the same with the CX-90 as well. Apart from that, it's pretty good. Now, the turning circle is nice and tight, which is good for a car of this size. It makes parking manoeuvring really nice and easy in tight car parks like schools and supermarkets. And out on the highway, it's actually a really nice, comfortable family car. So to sum up with the Mazda CX-80, it does make a fantastic car for families big and small. You can fit those 5 child seats in the back for families that need to. You've also got great third row access if you've only got 2 child seats installed in the second row. And for smaller families, it enables you to decide where in the car you'd like to position your child seats in both of those rear rows of seats. The boot space is really good. You can fit the Tula range of prams in the boot there, and the drive and median system are both fantastic as well.